You go to Cambodia for what? Study Cambodian. What? It's easy to learn Cambodian from anywhere. You just go to the website khmerlessons.com and choose a tutor. That's it. Really? What's that easy? Yes, of course. I'm learning Cambodian with them too. Can I cancel the flight?
Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Khmer with my channel, and I'm Dara from the Khmer lesson. I hope everyone is good, and right now in Cambodia we just finished Khmer New Year. But so today I have a new video for you, and in this video everyone will learn practice Khmer listening. But in this video I will say a short paragraph, and I will say twice for you. The first one just a bit slow, and the second one is normal. And then you practice your listening. And after that, we will learn each sentences in English together. Okay, so right now, if you are ready, let's get started with me together.
សួស្តីខ្ញុំឈ្មោះតារាខ្ញុំអាយុ41ឆ្នាំខ្ញុំកើតនិងធំឡើងនៅភ្នំពេញសប្តាហ៍ថ្ងៃខ្ញុំរស់នៅភ្នំពេញជាមួយគ្រួសារខ្ញុំមានកូនប្រុស2ខ្ញុំជាគ្រូភាសាខ្មែរសួស្តីខ្ញុំឈ្មោះតារាខ្ញុំអាយុ41ឆ្នាំខ្ញុំកើតនិងធំឡើងនៅភ្នំពេញសប្តាហ៍ថ្ងៃខ្ញុំរស់នៅភ្នំពេញជាមួយគ្រួសារខ្ញុំមានកូនប្រុស2ខ្ញុំជាគ្រូភាសាខ្មែរ Okay, right now, let's learn some vocabulary from the sentence. បាទសួស្តីខ្ញុំឈ្មោះតារាបាទ My name is Dara. Hello, my name is Dara. បាទសួស្តី is hello. Everyone know this word already. For the word hello, we have two. One you say សួស្តី and another one you say ជម្រាបសួរបាទជម្រាបសួរ and ឈ្មោះ is name. My name is Dara. ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Dara. You see, in Khmer we have two options to say. You can say my name is Dara. And another one, okay, very common to say, you just say I name Dara. បាទ I name Dara. ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Dara. បាទខ្ញុំអាយុ41ឆ្នាំ I am 41 years old. បាទខ្ញុំអាយុ41ឆ្នាំបាទអាយុ is the word age. ឆ្នាំ is year. 41 is 41. បាទ I am 41 years old. ខ្ញុំអាយុ41ឆ្នាំខ្ញុំកើតនិងធំឡើងនៅភ្នំពេញI was born and grew up in Phnom Penh. បាទ I was born and grew up in Phnom Penh. បាទកើត is the word born. បាទ born កើតធំឡើង is grow up. បាទធំឡើង I was born and grew up in Phnom Penh. ខ្ញុំកើតនិងធំឡើងនៅភ្នំពេញសប្តាហ៍ថ្ងៃខ្ញុំរស់នៅភ្នំពេញជាមួយគ្រួសារខ្ញុំ Nowadays I live in Phnom Penh with my family. បាទសប្តាហ៍ថ្ងៃ is nowadays រស់នៅ is live ជាមួយ with គ្រួសារ is family សពថ្ងៃខ្ញុំរស់នៅភ្នំពេញជាមួយគ្រួសារខ្ញុំ ខ្ញុំមានកូនប្រុស2 I have 2 sons បាទ មាន is have has had there is there are បាទ all of these words in Khmer you say មាន and កូនប្រុស is son ណាកូនប្រុសខ្ញុំមានកូនប្រុស2ខ្ញុំជាគ្រូភាសាខ្មែរ I'm a Khmer teacher បាទគ្រូបង្រៀនបាទ is teacher and ភាសា is language បាទខ្មែរ language you say ភាសាខ្មែរខ្ញុំជាគ្រូភាសាខ្មែរ Okay, that's all for this video. I hope it's really useful for everyone to practice your listening. But if you have any question or any idea, please let me know in comment section and I will try to answer your question. Okay, thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.